So now I'll again go to the programs and open Visual Studio 2017 version, and I'm going to record the script now, a new record script. Once recording is done, I will show we will do the customization, and we'll also know how we will debug the script. Suppose if any error is occurs after the test execution, how we can resolve the test. Viewers, this is rarely videos. Please go through, view and subscribe these videos. Now I am going to create a new project. Just watch. We'll stop. We'll open a new window. Now click on the template. Select web and click on OK. Now what it can do is it will create a new project. So once the project is created, what we can do is we will record the script with the help of tool. Okay, let's see how it will work, how it's right or how it will work. Guys, please be patient. It will take a lot of time because it is loading. Now what I can do is go to here and add recording. So once you click on record, it will open a new browser. Now what you can do is no. So what you can do is you will give the browser URL. Now comment, click on comment, enter login details, login. So we'll copy the username and copy the URL. So it will log in into the screen successfully. After that you will go to the category section, select a comment, categories, in the laptops. So click on any laptop and what you can do is click on logout. Click on logout. So I will not put any transitions over here because in my previous video I have explained how to put a transitions. Now I will concentrate only on how to debug a script. Suppose if error is occurred where you have seen that error. Now I will stop the record. So just concentrate on those two things. This is very important while working with which is very important while working with any web performance testing tool. So after you record the script, it will pop up a message like detecting dynamic parameters. I think you know what is the detecting parameters. It is nothing but a dynamic values. So sometimes what happens is basically what it will do is in the web application when you send a request, immediately the response will come. While sending the response, it will also send that ID, session ID. So it will be unique for each user. That is, we will call it a dynamic value. Now what we can do is we will run the test. Now open test window, click on thing. Now, so the test is paused. Now go to the web test. Suppose if any errors is occur, that will appear in this particular tab. So suppose even if it is a dynamic value is space, also that is appeared in that. So this is a dynamic value. So you can go to that request response. Suppose this request is failed. What you can do is go to this and go to the web test. Then it will immediately navigate to the web test. So here you can see that I will give query string. That's example headers and the login details demoprice.com query string parameters. Basically in this query string parameters, most of the times you can find the dynamic values. Something like, let's go to this results tab, click on one thing, response. You can see this request. Go to this cookies. Even cookie also one of the types cookies. Here you can see that sometimes the dynamic parameters value over here. So IDP underscore. This is one type of dynamic value where you can find the dynamic value is response. In the response you can find that value. This is the way you have executed your test. So now what I can do is, this is called, we can call identify dynamic values. So how can you do the parameterization? What is the parameterization? Basically parameterization is nothing but you can send some values to the server, that is called parameterization. So generally parameterization will, the values, whatever the values you have sending to the server, that is appear in the what is that, post parameter section over here. 1 minute, I will show that. Demo login, enter login details. So 1 minute. Here you can see that the values. I think here there is nothing will be done. So request